Yeah, as you know, this is a continuation of our partnership with Irish Deli. We have for some time now. Rainforest has adopted the school, so to speak. Our team is here trying to and give them something that we know can help them. We know it go far away in providing some food items from our company, a variety of rainforest goodies as usual. And I'm sure that will go far. We're assisting them and their families. It's a combination of teachers and ancillary staff who take care of the kids on a daily basis. So it's over 50 gift bags. It's fabulous eco bags that they can use repeatedly, in their daily lives. We are so delighted to have Mr. Lyn from Rainforest. Rainforest has always been one of our supporters. They have always been supporting the school in all our activities, and once again they have come forward to hand some goodie bags to staff, all categories of staff in this season. And on behalf of the board, the teachers, we want to thank Mr. Lyn and his team profusely for this kind gesture.
The teachers here at the Irish Gardens Primary School are grateful for this gesture, and we want to thank the Rainforest Seafood Company for always giving us things on their behalf, and we truly appreciate them, and we hope that this relationship will go a very, very far way. So it's extremely hard to have a full complement online, right, because of internet connectivity issues, device issues, or a myriad of other issues that we the teachers don't really know about. So we are hoping and we are praying that with hard work and dedication, we'll get this set of students to perform to their best.